Imagine if robots and computers started doing almost all the work humans do. Crazy, right? But it's already happening, slowly, and sometimes without us even noticing. Let's break it down. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like a brain. Not long ago, AI could only do simple stuff, like play chess or sort photos. Now, it can talk to people, write stories, drive cars, and even design buildings. Some AIs can paint pictures, make music, give medical advice, even teach classes. So, what does that mean for jobs? Let's look at a few. Customer service. AI chatbots already answer your questions online. Photographers and designers? AI can create stunning images in seconds. Teachers? AI can teach math, language, and give feedback, all without getting tired. Even doctors, lawyers, and writers are using AI to work faster, or being replaced by it in some tasks. Experts believe that in the next 10 to 15 years, over 80% of jobs could be partly or fully done by AI. That doesn't mean every person will be out of work, but it does mean many jobs will change. A lot. Some people will lose jobs because of AI, but new jobs will also be created, like AI trainers, robot mechanics, data experts, and digital ethicists. It's kind of like when cars replaced horses. Old jobs disappeared, but new ones appeared, like mechanics, drivers, and gas station owners. The key is to adapt and learn new skills. People who can work with AI, not against it, will have the best chances. Think of AI like a super smart assistant. If you learn how to use it, you become even more powerful. But yes, some jobs may vanish forever, especially ones that are repetitive, predictable, or follow strict rules. Factory work, typing, delivery services, these are already being automated. So when will all this happen? Some changes are happening right now. Others will take 5, 10, or even 20 years. It depends on the country, the company, and how fast people adopt AI. But one thing is clear. AI is not just the future. It's the present. And the more we understand it, the better we'll be at shaping what comes next. So the next time you hear, "I will take all our jobs," just remember, it's not about losing jobs. It's about learning how to grow with the tools we're building. Because in the end, humans and AI can be better together.